All right, I'll put Venmo up. Actually, you know what? All right, there's my Venmo at Michael Stefanelli 8. So you could send 5.99 there for Baltimore. Anybody else? Cleveland, Colorado, Tampa. Thanks, Josh. A 5.99 a team. So um, we'll do three. We'll do on the bottom of the screen here, Robert. Michael Stefanelli 8, right here, right underneath the heritage box. Drew, it's 5.99 a team, so let's call it $6 a team. You want to take all three? We'll do all three for $18. I'm sorry, $15. Just let me know. We're gonna get into this break here in a minute or two, so let me know if you want those last three or you want single teams for 5.99 each. Okay. All right. Last call on Cleveland, Colorado, or Tampa. We'll just eat the teams if nobody wants them. All right. Going once. Going twice. And oh, 1 second here. All right. Uh, I don't know why. My handle's Michael Stefanelli 8. CK11, who are you in the break? Are you Chandler? Just waiting on CK11 here. Or C Clevin 22. So yeah, that's Chandler. Got it. All right, Robert. I trust you, man. Don't worry about it. You'll get it figured out with the Venmo. Let's get this break going. All right. eBay 2021 Heritage Clearly 4 hobby box break. We got 2 hobby boxes of Heritage and 2 of Clearly Authentic. We'll do the 2 Heritage first. Couple rules on the Heritage. There's a lot of like double cards and triple cards. The rules are if anyone owns majority ownership of the card, say someone owns both teams, they'll obviously get the card. If it's a triple card, a triple card will, if anyone owns 2 out of the 3 teams, they would get it. If we go to randoms on it, if it's a two player random, we're going to do a random for all of them. So all the 2 player randoms, we're going to do a left right. So all the 2 player cards will either go to the left side person or left side player or the right side player. If we have a 3 player card, we'll do a left, middle, or right on the random, and so all the players on the 3 player cards will go to the left, middle, or right. And then if we have like a 6 player card which comes out, we'll just randomize all 6 to those teams in there. So the neutral cards, like the trophy cards and things like that, we will do a random for all the cards. If there's no team name on the card, we will do a random for all the neutral cards to a lucky participant in the break. So good luck, everybody, and let's pull some fire. Here we go. Check it out. A poster here of Luis Robert. That's cool. Usually a box topper, but we got a poster of Luis Robert from the White Sox. Thanks, Robert. Thanks, guys, for filling the break. Appreciate that. Baseball, Craig. Football just broke a little while ago, now baseball. All right, here we go. First box, Heritage. All right, this is one of those 2 Atlanta players, so that'll go to Atlanta. All right, St. Louis and Seattle. That'll be the random left-right later. Ohtani in action. Sixto Sanchez, rookie. Dylan Carlson, rookie. All right, we got a triple here. Cleveland, the Yankees, and Seattle. So that'll be a left, right, middle random later. Acuna. All right, here we go. Tatis short print. Action variation short print. That's a nice one. All right, Tatis going out to Mikel. Bo Bichette in action. Vladdy in action. Mateo and Oliveira, San Diego, Kansas City. That'll be a left-right random. Jesus Sanchez. This one will just be random between the 8 teams here. We got 2 Braves, 2 Dodgers. Braves, Matthew, Dodgers, Derek. 2 Padres, Mikel, Mets, Brian, Arizona, Art. So that'll just be random off between everyone that's involved there. Twins, Giants, San Fran. Yep, that'll be left, right, middle. Yankees rookie stars. Florio and Schmidt. Bo Bichette, Trout in action. White Sox rookie stars. Joey Bart in action rookie. Mets rookie stars. Vladdy. Mountcastle, New Age Performers, hit a bomb tonight against the Yankees. Texas Rangers rookie stars, Tejada Tavares. Luis Garcia rookie in action, Nationals, Cubs, Josh, San Diego, Mikel, and Atlanta, Art. That'll be a left, right, middle. Brady Singer in action, Kansas City, Alonso. Judge in action. Willie Mays, Mets flashbacks. Christian Pache, rookie in action. Yeah, because Craig, there's a lot of the randoms, so I'd be randoming all night. So that's why we're just going to do left, right, and middle, or left and right. And, you know, the team that's on the left gets them all, and the team that's on the right gets them all. Clemente, the great one. Rizzo in action. Okay, rookie stars. Bubic and McKenzie, Cleveland and Kansas City. Chandler and Craig will go random to that, left and right. Casey Mize in action. Bryce Harper in action. Austin Riley. Mets rookie stars. All right. Awards, most valuable player. Nationals and Braves, Garcia and Pache. Todd and Matthew will go left to right on that. Pittsburgh, Brian Hayes, and Cincinnati, Jose Garcia. So Pittsburgh is Steven, Cincinnati, Mikel. We'll do left to right on that. Nice Vladdy Chrome here. Roberta Flack, Billboard Hot 100, and that's a neutral card. Yankees, White Sox, Cleveland, and Angels. White Sox, Richard. Yankees, Steven. Angels, Josh. And Cleveland, Chandler. That'll be a four-way random. Joe Adell in action. Houston Astros rookie stars. Toronto Blue Jays rookie stars. Clubhouse Collection, Will Smith. Game used jersey. For the Dodgers. Boston and Texas. Houck and Huff. Boston's Nick, and Texas is Richard. That'll be a left-right. Spencer Howard, rookie. Nico Horner. Evan White in action, rookie. Garrett Cole in action. Ryan Mountcastle, rookie. Cy Young Award. Orioles, Mountcastle and Dahlbeck for Boston. Left, right. Then and now, Angels and Cleveland. Chandler and Josh. That'll be a left-right deal. All right, box one done. Another one of these posters here. Harmon Killebrew. Minnesota Twins. Yeah. Once in a while you get the hot box where you get all the purple chromes in them. I actually opened one a few weeks ago, and every pack had a purple chrome. the Heritage cards. You get a lot of rookies, you know, it's kind of like a forgotten product, but you get a lot of rookies, and, you know, some of these guys, they're, you know, after Topps Chrome, you know, you talk about their, and Topps, you talk about their flagship rookies, you know, the Heritage Chrome is a good one. You know, you see like Acuna and Ohtani, Vladdy, like their Heritage Chrome cards are good ones to have. Yeah, you're right, we do. Nice eyes there, Chandler. I haven't gotten one of those out of there, so let's see what that is. I know in the past, I've seen some of those thick ones were really good. So, I guess we could save that for last. Houston Astros rookie stars. Clemente, the great one. Luis Garcia. Brady Singer. Judge in action. All right, nice one. Dylan Carlson, Evan White. That'll be a random. Seattle and St. Louis. Chandler and Janice will go left, right on that one. .201 out of 572. Cincy and Philly, Carlton and Bauer. Left, right. Cincy, Cubs, and San Diego. Mikel owns the Padres and Cincinnati, so he will get the majority there. So that one will go to him. Acuna in action. Sixto Sanchez in action. Indians, Sox, and Yankees. White Sox, Yankees, Steven, Richard, and Chandler. Left, middle, right. Cronenworth rookie. DeGrom in action. Blue Jays, rookie stars. Tigers rookie stars, Casey Mize, Scooble. Clemente the Great One. Mountcastle in action. Let's keep the thick one for last. Yankees rookie stars. Cy Young Award. Phillies Rookie Stars. Baltimore, Boston. Left, right on that one. Harry Truman passes away. Pete Alonso in action. Royals and Indians. Left, right. Wow, it's like the same freaking box. Another Tatis short print. Yep. Another Tatis short print. Different short print than the last one. This is a short print. The other one was the action variation. Mets Rookie Stars. Nico Horner, Bo Bichette. Cardinals Rookie Stars. Rookie of the Year Award. Nationals and Braves. Left, right. Braves own the majority of the card there. Bryce Harper in action. Shohei in action. Alec Bohm, rookie in action. Detroit Tiger flashbacks. Detroit Tiger Rookie Stars. Texas Rookie Stars. St. Louis and Seattle left, right. Yankees Rookie Stars. Estevan Florial, Clark Schmidt. American League Rookie Stars. Boston and Texas. Left, right. Spencer Howard rookie. Indians, Seattle, and the Yankees. That'll be a left, right, middle. Ohtani. Mountcastle. All right, let's see what this thick card is here. Look at that. Bo Bichette with a nickel in the middle. U.S. genuine 1972 nickel. Going out to the Blue Jays. That's cool. I guess there's something pretty special about the 1972 U.S. nickel. 6 out of 15, though, on the card. So, really nice. Nice work there. All right, we'll do the Clearly Authentics, and then we'll go to the randoms. Good luck, guys. One encased auto per box. Lewin Diaz for the Marlins. Base auto going out to Chandler. Nice. And then our last box of the break. on, let's be a big name here. Let's be a big name. All right, it's a cool one. Not a huge current name, but, you know, good player in his day. Andres Galarraga. That'll go to the Nationals. Andres Galarraga. Not number, but a very nice looking card. Going out to Todd. All right. Galarraga, clearly authentic. Lewin Diaz, Bo Bichette, the nickel. Out of 15, Tatis, short print. Will Smith, game jersey. Joe Adell in action. Vladdy Chrome. Out of 5.99. Tatis, action variation. All right, so okay. So we're going to have random between all the teams on these two cards. These are all the left-right cards. So left or right will get each respective card. All right. So we'll start with those first. Let's go to random.org. We're going to do our random 6 times. All right, so we're going to do the 2-player cards, left or right. So after 6 rolls, the left side player will take the card, or the right side player will take the card. Here we go. And left side will take it. Left side will take the card. All right, we're going to do this one here. We have Atlanta for 2, San Diego for 2, LA Dodgers for 2, the Mets for 1, and the D-backs for 1. What's up, Brad? Okay, 6 times. Here we go. New York Mets takes the card. Okay, 4-way here. Yankees, White Sox, Cleveland, and Angels. Six times. Oh, wait. Sorry. What happened here? Yankees, Indians, White Sox, and Angels. 6 times. All right, Indians. Indians. Also the 2-player card here. I didn't review that one before in there, but that would go to the left side as well. And then we got the 3-player cards here, left, right, middle. Okay, left, right, middle. Here we go, 6 times. And 6, left side for the 3-way cards. And the neutral cards will go to the entire break. Art down to Todd. Here we go, 6 times. Wait a minute. We had a... I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We don't have Todd down there. We have... I had 2 teams left from the last break on there. From the football break. We're down to the Nationals there. There we go. Now we're correct. Here we go. We'll start that over again. Art down to Mikkel. There we go. And Art will take the neutral cards. Sorry, I didn't get that on video there. We can screenshot it here. I didn't switch my screen over, but you can see it here, timestamp and everything. We randomized the list 6 times, and it came up on Art. So Art will get the 6 cards for the neutral teams. And that is the break. Thanks everyone for joining. Appreciate that. Little trouble with their randomizer tonight, but all is good on that. So some nice cards that came out in the break, and appreciate you joining. And if you haven't done so, appreciate you subscribing to the channel here. This way you know what we got coming up, and saving me as an eBay seller for future breaks too. So appreciate it, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.